Hello everyone, myself your guide, coach, mentor, Amrish Kumar from Infodal. So today we are just going to start first step of website optimization. Means the beginning of SEO with the website. Here is our question very important that before starting anything, what you want to know means if I say you that you need to learn car driving, you need to learn plane driving, you need to learn bike driving, you need to learn bicycle driving. So if I'm saying to do any kind of the activity, then what will be your first question? Your first question can be, what is this? What it has and what should it has? Suppose if I'm saying that you learn bike riding, then you should clear that a bike having a accelerator, a brake, a clutch, and some gear system, two wheels, petrol tank, and engine. These all the functionality means you have to understand entire things means the basic structure that you want to confirm before bike riding, because if a bike is not having the tires, then how will it run? If it has not petrol tank, then where you will insert the fuel? If it has no engine, then how will be it run? If it has no accelerator, then how will be accelerated? If it has no brake, then how will you stop it? If it has no clutch and gear, then how will it run smoothly? So this is the concept which everywhere, either it is bike, it is car, it is cycle, even it is airplane or ship. So, if I'm saying that we are going to optimize the website, then first of all, you need to clear that is website is having all the things that require for its optimization or it do not have. Suppose if someone is saying that I want to optimize my website, then you ask what is your domain name? Oh, I haven't booked it yet. Then how will you optimize it? Okay. If you said, give me your hosting details, even if the person having the domain name, suppose he book or she book xyz.com or abcd.com, then you say okay, but your site is not running. Oh, I haven't hosted it. Then how will it run? How will you optimize the website? Suppose the person who has domain name and hosted somewhere but haven't created any page, then how will you optimize it? You need to first create the page. Okay, the person has created the pages but do not having any link anywhere, then how will you access the page? Suppose the person has created the page linked somewhere but its url structure is very different, some having the numeric character, some having the alphanumeric character, some having some uh, text, some having only dash dash plus plus. So these all the things. Now if they have everything but they have no contact form, then if you bring it in a ranking, then how will anyone can contact? Suppose they have contact form also, but contact form is not working. Second thing, everything is there, site is not loading timely. Means if you are going to open it, it taking long time, then user will be frustrated. Will have to shut it down. No need to. So these all the things you need to be considered before proceeding with the optimization. Even check the analytic code and webmaster codes, keywords associated for the pages, current ranking, so many things. So let me start with one by one process. I will show you this entire thing in a website so that you can clear that how these things are working. This is the website. This is called actually domain name. And if you're seeing any pages over here, then it means it is hosted somewhere. This is the pages and associated with here, and you can see at this area that whenever I bring mouse over any service page, then URL is changing. Means URL structure is well defined. Means whatever the service your URL structure is there. Navigation is fine because you are able to see each and every page from anywhere. If you are at this page also, you are having the this menu and you can access any page from anywhere. Even from magazine also you are able to access every page. So this is the good navigation. And second thing is this URL structure is fine. This lock sign is saying that it has SSL certificate, means this is safe for any browser. As I told you earlier, and I hope I shown you this website earlier, that here is the analytic code. This is the analytic code, and if I come to here, then it also has the webmaster code. Now, before a few days ago, what webmaster is doing, if your analytic code is placed in header, they will verify it with the help of this. So this is also very clear now. SLS this here, this is the contact information, means the person can call, the person can chat, chat, and even can we call is a section where you can connect with the people with the help of this form. So form is also working. In all total, the website is ready to start its optimization. And if you are smoothly seeing this website, then its load time is also very good. Means site is not taking too much time to load over your browser. Hence, this is the website that is really ready for optimization. So you need to focus on all the points. Those I explain here because if anyone is missing, you cannot optimize website as per the client's expectation. So let me bring you again at my present to see that how much things are need to check. Content, meta tag, placeholder, robot, sitemap, SSL, mobile response because millions of people are searching over the Google but watching a website over the mobile. Even social media account should be linked. And I hope these all the things are here. Let me show you once again so that you get clear. Come in the bottom or go to the top of the site, then somewhere I I can found the social media links, but as of now it has no any social media links. So we need to bring that also here. And the most important thing is that a website should have XML sitemap. If I go to here, I say sitemap dot XML, then it should be open like it is here. If I click on this, I got this kind of the pages also. Now, second thing is important, it has the meta text section. So again, I am going to go view page source. This is the title, this is the title, this is the description, and somewhere I can see the other things like this is the robot file that I also explained you, and everything is here visible to everyone. Now, site is quite ready to proceed, and if you have any kind of the doubt, then you can think that as a user, if you're visiting a site and something is missing, then that point should be included. So you need to check these all the facts and figure. Before that, you cannot proceed with the optimization. If you find that URL is not working properly, URL structure is not good, navigation is not good, content form is not there, then you can contact or even explain to your client that these things are really, really very important. So I'm again bringing you back to my presentation. These all the things you need to check, and once you are clear, you create a checklist. I will show you that how to create the checklist and share with the client now. So I am sure that you are able to understand that what need to check before proceeding to optimize it. Because so many times your client will force you to start from today. But if the things are not complete, then how will you start? So try to convince your client that please make site according to search engine activity so that we can perform the search engine activity. Thank you. Have a great day.